Hello, I'm Carolyn from thepurpleponcho.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful extended knit stitch. It makes rows of V's on the front, and on the back it reminds me of single crochet stitches. So to begin, I'll be using my Furls Tunisian crochet hook in a size J, and I'm also using number 4 worsted weight yarn. You can make this in any stitch multiple that you like, and I will begin with 7 stitches. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The first chain on my hook counts as my first chain, so I'm going to skip over to my second chain and pick up in the back bump, pick up a loop across in each back bump. My last stitch. It's a good idea to count once you pick up your forward pass. I have 7 loops on my hook. A normal return pass, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2, a yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. To start our pattern repeat, we're going to start with a chain. That is going to give us a little bit of height on the end, as this stitch is going to be a little taller. We're going to go in the center of our previous stitch, yarn over and pull up that loop, and then yarn over and make a chain. Going into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and make a chain. And make a chain. So we do this all the way across. And when we get to the end, go through both loops on the edge as we normally would. Pull up a loop and then make a chain. And we have 7 loops on our hook. So you can see our V-stitch down below, and then we have our chain stitch above it. Okay, so return pass as normal, yarn over, make a chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So we actually have 3 chains on the edge, and when we come back down this next row, we're going to go into this second chain right here. Okay, and you can put a stitch marker there if it helps. Just yarn over, pull through 2, normal return pass all the way back. Okay, and that is our pattern repeat. I'll show you one more time so you can see where to put your last stitch. Okay, so we're going to begin our row with a chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, and make a chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and make a chain. Try to keep your chain stitches all the same size. I find that mine start getting tighter as I go along. Okay, so I'm on the edge. So this first stitch here on the edge counts as my chain down here on this row. So this is my second stitch up. We're going to go in there, both loops on the edge, yarn over, pull up a loop, and make the chain. So we have 7 loops with 7 chains. And now normal return pass, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's all there is to it, to the extended knit stitch. You see how pretty that is? It looks like 4 rows already. Okay, so to bind off, I bind off in the almost the same way, except I'm not going to start with a chain. So I'm going to insert my hook and do a knit stitch, and then yarn over and pull through 2. So it makes it look like a single crochet on top. So insert my hook, yarn over, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Do this all the way across. So knit stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Knit, yarn over, pull through 2. And then on the edge we're going to go in that second chain up, both loops on the edge, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's how it looks. It's really, really pretty. I know I say that every time. I have a spa cloth here to show you. Here's my smaller sample. Isn't that pretty? And the back. Oh, you hear the dog. And here's the red. Isn't that pretty? This will be so pretty for Christmas or Valentine's Day or any day. And the back. Isn't that pretty? I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to make the extended Tunisian knit stitch. Please like and share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today, and have a wonderful day.